What's up guys, Albert here from Animal Racing Customs, and today we're gonna do a shit ton more things to finalize the escort for the startup procedure. Guys, Albert here from Animal Racing Customs, and we are busy finalizing a few things on the escort. It's gonna be like the fuel lines, the tank, and numerous other things. We just want to say a big thanks for everybody supporting the build. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna get this baby unwrapped, ready for fuel lines. Got a bunch of FTF fittings ready for it. And then we've got a bit of a bad news. You guys would have saw on Facebook the Frostbite Mark 1 caddy, my brother's Bucky. He's been in a bit of a front bumper smash, as you guys can see. We will post videos as soon as we start working on the Bucky and I know it's been a while since you guys have seen a video. I'm going to give you guys a progress report on the Mark 1 Escort. We are a few days away from starting her, if I can put it in that way. We have done brake boosters, lines, hydraulic e-brake is installed, bonnet clips are installed, final touch-ups and stuff like that is started. The wiring of the car has had a big back step, so we're rewiring the whole car, thanks to Dirk from Greef Performance, the locksman, and his father for assisting us with the Escort Mark 1 build. What's up guys? Okay, final report. As you guys will see, the video has been taken over around about 2 weeks. I know it's been a long time, but she is finally almost ready to start. The brakes are done, the wiring is done, the wiring mess of what it was is totally cleaned up and ready to start. The dictator has been installed, the modules, all the flicker lights work, headlights, hooter, everything is wired. So it's just basically final things that we're going to sort out now, but you will see that in the next video. I hope you guys like what we do. Please like, subscribe, and share the shit out of it so we can give you more progress reports on the Escort. She will start in the next week. So stay tuned. Next weekend on Saturday, she will be started up and ready to fire. Just want to give a big shout out to Dirk Locksman Greef and his father for doing the brakes and the wiring. And then Nico Storbeck, He's coming to start this beast up, and finally small minor things are left to do. You guys will see that in the next video. Hope you guys enjoy. Cheers.